and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making, as you can see, it's another cooking channel for today. Today we're going to be making chocolate coke cake, and I know saying that fast it sounds a bit dodgy, but it's really not. It's chocolate coke as in Coca-Cola cake, and it's actually very nice. Doesn't taste like Coca-Cola at all, but it does make the cake a lot more dense and it's just a really nice texture to it. So we're going to get started with that now. So the ingredients you'll need for this is self-raising flour, caster sugar, vanilla, cocoa powder, bicarbonate of soda, butter, eggs, cola and milk. And you need an oven, need a bowl and a spoon, a sifter, a baking pan, a baking tray, bacon, cake tray, and one of these if you want to be technical like me, and an oven. Did I say an oven? You need an oven. That is a very key thing for this, you need an oven. Right, so let's get started. So first things first, we're going to sift 250 grams of self-raising flour into the bowl. You can see the flour rising already. It's probably not meant to happen, but next you need 300 grams of caster sugar, and then you just want to sift that as well in with the flour. And if you've got any clumps like mine, just kind of break them with a spoon. This is like GCSE cooking coming into plan right now. And they're all gone. Then you want 3 heaped teaspoons of cocoa powder. I'm using dark cocoa powder, but it's all a matter of preference, I'm guessing. So 1, 2, 3. And sift that as well. And then a generous pinch of bicarbonate soda. Tiny bit extra in just to make sure. Right, then we're going to get our 250 grams of butter, which is a whole block right here. And we're also going to get 250 mils of cola and heat them in a pan on the hob over there, so I'll come back once that's done. So next then you want to add your melted butter and cola coke into your sifted dry ingredients. Et voila. And you want to add as well and with this you want to add your 175 mils of milk in by there, and 2 beaten eggs in as well. I didn't mess this up that time. I cracked my eggs off screen just in case I made a in case I ruined it again, but I didn't, so that was fine. And then you also want 1 teaspoon, definitely teaspoon this time, not tablespoon, as I checked and did with the other one. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's in there. And then you're just going to mix gently but thoroughly. by let's say the melted butter, so we've got a melted butter, and we're just gonna butter up our cake dish. Oh, so I'm using one of those pans where the bottom can come in and out, and it says on the recipe that you need that. However, I think as long as you've got something like this, which I also use this as well, pop in, should be fine because you can just easily like slip it out rather than having to push it up. But matter of preference, I think. And then I'm just going to pour that in there. And you whip it up in the oven on gas mark for 40 minutes. And do that to decorate for Easter. Can we just take a moment to appreciate animals as well? Because my dog is being the cutest ever, and she has been for a while now, where she just like sits outside and just relaxes outside. You can just see her lying down, all peaceful and so beautiful. Also just splintered, but that's fine. Right, wait for that to cook now, then we'll be back to decorate for Easter. So now it's been a while. It's been 40 minutes. No, it was in a oven for 60 minutes, and then we left it for 15 minutes to cool. And in that 15 minutes, what you would normally do, according to the instructions, is make the topping. But I love this fudge thing, so I'm just going to use this chocolate fudge from Better Coca because it's the nicest thing in the world. And we're just going to scoop that on and decorate the cake as such. So then what you want to do is grab your toppings. I'm using mini egg and green icing because then it'll be a bit Eastery. And what I've realised is the worse my cake looks, normally the better it tastes. So there is my little mid pie cake looking thing at the moment. So now we're just going to decorate and be ready for Easter basically. Almost it is the batter because then it looks like a little Easter nest thing, like a little nest for birds. And then I'm just going to grab my green icing and do a little squiggle on the outside to make it look like a bit of grass. So there we have it. There's my little Easter cake, my coke cake. You can't really see, but around the edges I've done a bit of green grass. And now all you need to do is grab a slice and enjoy. And just to say once again, even though it is Coca-Cola cake, it doesn't taste like Coca-Cola. It's just quite moist and dense, which is even better. So thank you for joining me in the disaster kitchen, and I will see you again next week. Bye!